The Kettp 3P 3-floor puzzle parking system is a semi-automated solution designed to maximize space efficiency and streamline vehicle storage. Using a combination of vertical lifting and horizontal sliding, this system allows for smooth and convenient parking. Each module accommodates 3 cars wide and can be expanded horizontally to meet different parking demands, making it ideal for public parking lots, residential basements, and commercial buildings. Built with durable H-steel and reinforced with high-strength bolts, the 3P model ensures long-term reliability and structural stability. Its advanced platform design features strip-rolled side beams, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. Powered by a motorized lifting and sliding system, the 3P operates with precision and efficiency, reducing downtime and maintenance. The intelligent PLC control system automates parking operations, providing a user-friendly experience with safety features like self-locking mechanisms and limit controls. With customizable configurations and integration options for underground puzzle parking systems, the 3P model is a versatile and cost-effective solution for modern urban parking challenges. Whether for residential complexes, public spaces, or high-traffic areas, Kettp's 3P puzzle parking system delivers optimal performance, safety, and convenience.